Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm finna do my taste test on my microwave starch. I had mixed a couple of my starches. So I can't even talk. The other day, and I had made the video, so I'm basically finna just try it. And I need to make a video of my other ones too, because I did the one with the oven, and I did the one on top of the stove. So no, I think I'm gonna do the oven one. Hold on. Okay, guys. Wait a minute. I better turn that light off. I don't know if that's too much of light or. Wait a minute. Let me turn this light off. Got too much light going on up in here. Let me see. Oh, that's not too bad. Yeah. Some water. Guys, I am slowing down on this starch. Cornstarch. I've been doing good. But my baby want me to slow down, which I do need to slow down. I really do. So I'm going to do the one that I put in the oven. And I had it open. It's right here. Oh, that looks so good. Looks so good. I'm going to show y'all guys. Oh, that's good. Yeah. I'm telling you, this looks so good. I'm trying to leave it alone point blank, but it is so hard. Turn down my phone because I don't want it to disturb me. And let me show y'all. Ooh, my mouth is watering. See, I can do this video because London is outside, so she won't bother me. Look at this. This is the one I done in the oven the other day. Like I said, I got a video on it when I done it in the oven. So this just a little taste test. So I have to do stuff while she out there. Here we go. Let me smell it. Mmm. 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 Oh, I give this a thumbs up. I give this a 10. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. 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 Ooh. Mm. 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 I put so much in my mouth, be real thick. I have to go ahead and wash it down. Wash it down. Mm. Lord. All right. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. This stuff's so good. And I'm trying to leave it alone. I really am. I'm trying hard. But it's hard. It's hard. Mm. Mm. My head itching. Mm. So, roughly, I get a 10. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. So guys, thank y'all for tuning in. Give me a big fat thumbs up and I'll be back with more videos. I give that a thumbs up. Bye.